Happy Sunday morning. Yes, the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, as far as I'm concerned, is the best university in the world. Wait a minute, what about Harvard, Princeton? Well, anyway, guys, I'm gonna talk to you today. I'm trying to move this around to get better, different lighting. I need one of those lights behind me, like a professional. But I'm an amateur YouTube creator, and I ask everybody, why aren't you vlogging? Get your phone and start vlogging. YouTube will love you. Now, I want to talk about this. I have to take these off. I need to get me some lenses. I have been doing nothing but sleeping, guys. Truthfully, and I'll be sleeping today. I tell doctors that are so stupid, they are. I want to tell you, doctors, how did you get your medical degree? I would like to know. How did you get it? A patient tells you, I'm tired, I'm sleeping, and you go, that's depression. Bullshit. It's not depression, it's physical. Guys, I have never been so angry at doctors in my lifetime with their dismay of their patients they don't care for. And they don't. I go to Centerrail, Dr. Roz, and I told her, I said, man, I am just tired all the time. Have you talked to a psychiatrist? You might have depression. Guys, like I said before, I was a stimulant junkie for many, many years, and that's how I survived. Now you're going, you're addicted to caffeine. Yes, I was addicted to caffeine and nicotine. Yes, I was many years. But I was able to get by. I was able to have women in my life, make love to them, make them happy. I was able to work jobs, as I said, ADHD. I hopped from job to job because I never could find one I liked. I'd get bored. But doctors now, I think, are probably the worst I've ever seen in my anger towards them. Of the fact that they do silly stuff like blood pressure. Yeah, blood pressure's okay. So that means your heart's okay. I listen to your heart. It's okay. You're okay. You just need to sleep more. And the whole fact is that I want doctors to wake up and go that extra mile with your patient. I've said this before. You don't do it. Why? Because I got other patients I got to care for. I can't just care for you. Now, it is like I said, guys, for me sleeping all the time, my body is telling me something, and I'm not a medical doctor to figure it out. So I want to ask medical doctors, why do you always go, that's depression? You need to talk to a psychiatrist. You know. Now, for me, I have anger right now. I mean, granted, I looked in here about constipation. Constipation a lot of times is anxiety, and I've got a lot of anxiety, so that's probably why I'm constipated, you know. But I'm trying to wake up people in the United States to realize your doctors aren't worth a crying shit, and they aren't. Do you doctors really care for your patients? Do you really? Have you asked yourself that question, medical doctors? Have you? Well, let me talk about dentists. Do you realize you've got a doctorate also in dentistry? It is that your patient should be the center of your entire world, not how much money you make, or the house you live in, or the car you drive, or the family you raised. Your patient should be your most important person, but it's not. And the reason why I'm really angered at medical doctors of your dismay of what you've done for me. Gastrointestinal doctors are saying there's nothing wrong with your stomach. Then I have a primary doctor saying it's all mental. You see, doctors cop out. If they can't find nothing wrong, they cop out. They go, "You're okay, don't worry about it." "Oh, you have a sensitive stomach. Just be careful what you eat. I'll see you in 6 months." Okay, bye bye. You know, doctors today do not go that extra mile to help their patient, to find out what is really going on, Mr. Crozier. What's going on with your stomach? Let's look into this. Let's try to figure it out. So, I was lucky in Novant. I'm going to be on the 28th talking to a physician's assistant. I'm going to say, look, this isn't right. I went on the GERT diet, it didn't work. I went on a bland diet, it didn't work. I'm doing a lot of antacids, which is killing all the acid in my stomach, so bacteria is forming. So, yeah, doctors, I'm not real impressed with you. I'm not. You go to your clinic, let them wear white. I'm Dr. So and so. Hello. I can fix you because I went to medical school and I have helped a lot of patients. Yes, I have. My name is Dr. So and so. Yeah. I'm 70 years old and I wonder how many more years I have to live. But I will say this, I am very pissed off at all doctors. I really am. And I'm very pissed off at Medicare, and I'm very pissed off at Humana's garbage medical advantage. So that's my 2 cents worth, doctors. Maybe you need to go back to medical school, graduate again, and get in the field to help your patient and not have that big house and that fancy car and raising your family to be great citizens of the United States. Wake up, doctors, and be doctors for a change.